Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today, we have an absolutely wild Karen in court who goes from 0 to arrested in record-breaking time. I mean lightning fast blink, and she's in handcuffs. Oh, and did I mention she's also a sovereign citizen? Because of course she is. At this point, it's practically in the job description now. I was recommended this video by email, and it comes from a channel I'd honestly never heard of before. Coffee and Donuts. I'll drop a link in the description because they deserve the love and, trust me, after today's fiasco. You're going to want to check them out, but ever since I got the recommendation, I decided to do my own digging. And I uncovered exactly who this Karen is and how she managed to find herself spiraling into this legal meat grinder besides the obvious childhood diet of lead paint, asbestos, and whatever other toxins explain her current worldview. Her name is Joanna N. Adamski, and she's in court today because she refused to get out of her car during a traffic stop. And I know what you're thinking. Why would she? After all, in her mind, the police clearly have no jurisdiction over her sacred Honda Civic or her imaginary sovereign micronation. She was probably planning her grand speech about maritime law when the officer tapped on her window. Nevertheless, reality doesn't care about sovereign citizen fantasies, and she was charged with obstruction of justice. The video we're watching today picks up right after the judge finally had enough of her courtroom tantrums and ordered her to be taken into custody for contempt of court. Because shockingly, courts don't appreciate being lectured about invisible constitutional loopholes and fake statutes from Facebook University graduates. So buckle up, get your snacks, and let's watch Joanna go from defiance to detained, from sovereign to seized, from free spirit to free accommodations, courtesy of the county jail.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Alex, I want you to record everything.
I'm politely asking you to stand up, please.
But
Please
I
stand
don't
up.
want to.
I don't care if you want to or not, ma'am. I'm
Me
asking you
neither.
politely to stand up.
But I don't care what you want.
All right.
Leave me. Leave. Alex, please record everything. Record everything. Record everything I said.
We're recording. It's on body camera.
No,
It's
leave
on
me
body
alone.
cam, ma'am.
Please stand up.
Okay, once more.
No.
To this gentleman who is a lawyer for Hillsborough.
Stand her up. Let's go.
Ma'am, stand up.
You have no rights to touch me. Leave me alone.
Place your hands behind your back. Ma'am, place
My
your hands
hand
behind.
hurts me.
Okay, can you place your arm
Leave
behind
me-
your back?
No, leave me alone. You have no right to arrest me. You have no right. No, I'm not this. I'm just visiting here. You got my papers from me. That's a crime. That's a crime. I'm just visiting here. You received.
Oscar 64993.
Ask them to leave me free. Ask them to leave me free. No, you didn't answer my
Time for
question.
100, please.
My
For
basic
87.
free-woman question.
Judge. Karen, let me help you out here. He is not your personal customer service representative. He's not there to troubleshoot your sovereign citizen Wi-Fi connection or decode the imaginary legal nonsense swirling around in your head. He's there to rule over your case, maintain order in his courtroom, and most importantly, throw your dumb ass in jail for contempt the second you forget where you are and who actually has the authority. You don't get to interrogate the judge like he's applying for a job at the Karen Customer Satisfaction Desk. He doesn't owe you explanations, dissertations, or TED Talks on why your Facebook law theories are garbage. His only job is to listen to the case, make a ruling, and slap the cuffs on you the moment you start acting like the Constitution is a choose-your-own-adventure book. But, of course, Karen can't help herself. She's over there demanding answers like she's ordering a latte at Starbucks, completely oblivious to the fact that the judge already ordered something to a one-way ticket to Incarceration Nation.
I came to visit and you harassing me, but asking your people who are working for the same company as you to put and handcuff me and harass me.
We'll see you at 1:30.
130. Yes, Your Honor.
Leave me alone. No, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Go ahead, sir.
No. I want a contract Show me the contract that I'm giving you the consent.
When you're
to
clear, I can bring the elevator up to you.
No. Who is? No. I'm not.
We're gonna need that.
I'm not agreeing to that. I don't give you the agreement to that. You are representing a private company, all of you.
Let's walk her over. Let's walk her over.
You're representing a private company. Alex, take my document. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, traitors. Leave me alone. I want my papers with me. You're hurting me.
We're not hurting you.
You're hurting me. Leave me alone.
Grab the door, please.
I want my belongings.
We have them with you now.
No, stash.
This.
It's a crime. It's literally called criminal contempt. And you're about to learn the hard way, probably in handcuffs, that you just committed it. This isn't some imaginary charge from your YouTube law guru's handbook. This is a real offense with real consequences. And the judge doesn't need to argue with you, explain it to you, or negotiate like you're haggling over a yard sale toaster. The moment you opened your mouth and decided, courtroom rules didn't apply to you. You crossed the line from annoying to arrestable. And now you're about to get a front row seat to exactly how fast a judge can turn a bad attitude into a legal disaster.
People, you're gonna get papers soon about that. Show me the contract that you have power over me. Hello, do you have jurisdiction over me? You have no jurisdiction over me. Show me that you have personal jurisdiction over me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I want jurisdiction over me. You can understand. I'm a free woman. No, I'm not ma'am. I'm a free woman.
No, you're fine. We'll take her.
I am free woman.
Show
Show me you have jurisdiction over me.
Okay. We're done talking.
Show me you have jurisdiction over me. Show me you have jurisdiction over me.
And you're making it worse.
Let's
No, I don't
bring her in
care.
here for now.
Show me you have jurisdiction over me. You are private.
Over me. Karen, you keep whining about jurisdiction, but ever since this video started, you haven't taken a single step without that deputy glued to your arm like he's your court-appointed dance partner. Technically, he's been demonstrating his jurisdiction over you for the last 4 straight minutes physically, unmistakably, and with the full blessing of the judge who told him to take you into custody. You can scream no jurisdiction until you're blue in the face. But the truth is literally gripping you by the elbow. If the officer was any more in charge of your movement, he'd need to file paperwork declaring you as carry-on.
Do you want to rape me here? What do you want from me?
Everything's being recorded, man.
We have blood orange.
Wow, do you want to rape me?
Certainly don't.
Wow, I don't want you to touch me.
Well,
I didn't give you
you've been
consent to
resisting
touch
since the second we
me.
told you
You're
you were
touching
placed
my
under arrest.
body.
The judge gave you
You are
3
touching.
opportunities.
No,
to
he's
act
just a
civil law.
lawyer working for a private company.
Maybe 3
He has no
opportunities to act civil
jurisdiction
law.
over me. He has no jurisdiction over me, and neither you.
Okay.
Leave me alone. Don't touch me.
Did we search
Don't
her?
touch me.
Ma'am?
Stop touching me.
Did we search her?
Why are you touching me?
Why don't we go ahead and search
Why
her?
are you touching
I have
me?
to take the,
Why are you touching my body?
I can unload this, so.
This is my handbag.
I
Leave my
understand,
It's not
handbag.
going anywhere.
This is my
It's staying with
private.
your- it's staying with your
No,
belongings
This is my
now.
private. You have no jurisdiction
It's
over
staying
me
with
to
your
do
belongings.
it. You have no jurisdiction over me to do it.
Just-
Don't touch me.
Just because you say it.
Don't touch my body. Why are you touching me?
Go ahead and search.
Why are you touching me?
We need to search you and send to arrest.
Ma'am, do you have any
Okay?
sharp
No, why?
Because
Why?
you've been placed under arrest for contempt and resisting arrest.
No,
So,
no. To whom? To whom?
Ma'am,
You have no
do you have anything-
jurisdiction. Show me a paper that you have
Do you have
jurisdiction
anything
over me.
sharp on you? Anything
Show
sharp,
me that
prodding?
you have jurisdiction over me.
Okay.
Show me that you have personal jurisdiction over me. You have no rights to do it. Don't touch me.
don't kick at her.
Don't kick.
I don't want her to touch me.
It doesn't matter.
She has no rights over
Well, I guess we can go ahead and tack resisting arrest with violence onto your growing buffet of bad decisions. You've already got contempt. You've already got obstruction. And now because you decided to express your legal arguments through the medium of interpretive kicking, you've gifted yourself a shiny new felony. You'd think someone who screams, "I know my rights," every 5 seconds would know you can't just start booting an officer in the shins, because the universe isn't bending to your will today. But no, apparently, your defense strategy is to see how many charges you can collect before they finally carry you out like a malfunctioning ROOMBA.
You know that you work for company. He works for company and so-called Christopher, who calls himself a prosecutor. You work all of you for the same company. How one person, one company can judge another person who belongs to the same company? Think about that. He is not a judge. He is employee of Hillsborough. They gave him a judge title, but he is just a lawyer and works for the same company like you. Why he is giving orders to somebody who works for the same company? That's very unlawful. How you can do it? Leave my wallet. Leave my wallet. I have money in my wallet.
No one's taking your money.
No, I don't know. You are a
Well,
private
because
company.
we're wearing body cameras, so everything's recorded.
You're taking all my rights as a woman, as a human, free woman. You're taking all my rights from me. Is everything being recorded? You're taking all my free woman with the existing soul, all my rights from me. A private company, Hillsborough company, registered on Dun and Bar Street. And
Stop.
bosses wanted me to be arrested. No, I can do what I want. I am a free woman.
There's consequences to your
I am
actions.
free woman. Really?
You had
640 Romeo 57.
Really?
You had three
You have-
chances.
Show me the jurisdiction over me. You don't have
You said
jurisdiction
you're bringing
over
that
me.
elevator up.
You don't have personal jurisdiction over free woman. I just came to visit here. I just came to visit.
You know what they say, come to America on vacation. Stay on probation, especially if you show up in court armed with nothing but Google Law degrees and a sovereign citizen starter pack. At this point, the judge doesn't even need to throw the book at her. She could just gently hand it over, and Karen would still argue that books don't apply to free women of the land. Or whatever mythology she pulled off page 2 of the internet. Honestly, the court has 2 choices. Give her a few months in the county hotel to think about her life decisions. Or send her back home to whatever parallel universe she believes her unalienable traveling rights come from. Either way, I'm sure she'll walk out, still insisting she won the case because the court lacked jurisdiction over her corporeal vessel.
There are consequences to that too. Leave me alone. Everything has consequences. And you're working against free people. You're working against with the people. Stop
Yeah.
touching my hands. Stop touching my hands.
I'm not touching your hands.
He wasn't answering my questions. He wasn't proving anything that he has jurisdiction over me. He didn't show me any contract, nothing. This is against my rights. As a free woman, against my rights, you know that. And you're doing everything against my rights too. Stop touching me. Did I allow you to touch me? Can you show me the contract stating that I'm allowing you, called police officer, to touch me?
You'll have all that paperwork when this is over.
You
You'll have all that paperwork
You
when
think
this is
that I
over.
have no rights? You think I have no rights? You think I have no rights because I'm free woman? You think I have no rights as corporation have rights over me? Okay. Stop touching my hands.
No one's touching your hands.
You are touching my hands.
No, I'm touching your bicep area.
No, this is my hand. This is my hand.
No one's touching your hands.
Talking about
So you're touching my arm.
Okay.
Stop touching my arm. I don't want anybody who I don't know to touch my body.
Okay.
My body belongs to me, not to you. The same to you. My body belongs to me. Stop touching me.
They're not putting hands on you for fun. Karen, nobody woke up this morning thinking, you know what I really want? To spend my day wrestling a full-grown adult who behaves like a toddler denied juice. If you want officers and court staff to stop physically guiding you around like a malfunctioning Roomba, here's a revolutionary idea. Act like an actual adult in a courtroom. Drop the theatrics, stop the sovereign citizen cosplay. And maybe, just maybe, you won't get escorted everywhere like you're on the world's saddest guided tour.
Just because a lawyer from Hillsborough told you to touch me, he has no personal jurisdiction over me. And you know that. He's just a lawyer. Same as the prosecutor working for the same company. Both of them work for the same company. And it's you as well, working for Hillsborough company. So Hillsborough
This is
people...
Princeton, just so you're aware. Okay.
I'm sorry,
It's okay.
Princeton.
It's all right. No problem.
You're right. But he's from Hillsborough.
Okay.
He's not this
Girl, for one. Why don't you come here? Take control over it. We're gonna get everything.
Here's my stuff.
We will get your
No,
stuff.
I want everything to be with me.
Wait, what are you doing right now?
Princeton people.
Yeah, you just said we would grab your stuff.
Relax, come on, let's go.
You are doing something which
Wanna
is
walk around?
against my rights. My
Want me to walk around or
free
good?
rights.
Good.
Stop touching me.
Relax.
If I want.
He's good. Right.
You guys are all up.
Where's my handbag?
It's right here. Everything's being audio and visually recorded.
Yeah,
okay?
we're good.
Relax.
You have no rights. Princeton people, correct. Princeton people. I'm not resisting anything. I just came to visit here. By invitation. By invitation. I just came to visit the building.
Paperwork or not?
More paperwork.
Judge?
All of you grab it. It's not.
Stop touching me. Why a lawyer of Hillsborough and police of Hillsborough is attempting to do wrong things against me? Why they touching my body? Why?
Nobody's doing
why
any
are
of
they? Why are they refusing my rights to be
Nobody's
free?
doing any of that.
Yes, you are.
You should have thought about that.
You are forcing me. You handcuffed me.
You're under arrest.
No, I'm
okay?
not.
You're
Because
under
of what? Show me the contract that I.
It's not a problem, Karen. It's actually very simple. The moment you decided to exist within Society Drive on the roads, live in a house, breathe the air someone else pays taxes to keep clean, you entered into a social contract with the city, the county, the state, and yes, even the United States. That's how civilization works. And since you're in New Jersey, let me really burst your sovereign citizen bubble. Police jurisdiction and arrest authority comes straight from New Jersey statutes for a 1418 and 4A 14 to 152, as well as statute to a 1543. Those laws don't magically disappear because you declare yourself a free woman of the land or scribble your name in crayon using the flesh and blood font. You're bound to them like everyone else, whether you like it or not.
Common law, it's a law of contracts. Professionals and the
Give me a community policing for one Monument Drive.
Stop touching me. I don't want those people to touch me, for the record. I didn't allow them, I didn't give them the contract to have any rights over me and touch my body. They put something on my hands, they touching my body, and I didn't allow them to do it. They're corporations and they have no clear contract with me allowing them.
Well, you know what? The judge is right there. Karen, front row, center stage. Why don't you go ahead and enlighten his honor with the sacred sovereign citizen scriptures you picked up from a Facebook meme? Go on, tell him all about how the police violated your rights as a free woman of the land. How their badges hold no power over your magical strawman. And how maritime law somehow applies because there was a blue stripe on the flag. And then, once you're done giving your TED Talk on imaginary legal concepts, let's see all together now whether the man who literally ordered those police officers to detain you gives even the slightest microscopic single-cell organism of a underscore. Spoiler alert, he doesn't. He's too busy dealing with real laws, real cases.
Summary contempt in the presence of the court. A judge conducting a judicial proceeding may adjudicate contempt summarily without an order to show cause if the conduct has obstructed or if continued would obstruct the proceeding. The conduct occurred in the actual presence of the judge, was actually seen or heard by the judge. The character of the conduct or its continuation after appropriate warning unmistakably demonstrates its willfulness. Immediate adjudication is necessary to permit the proceeding to continue in an orderly and proper manner, and the judge has afforded the alleged contender an immediate opportunity to respond, all of which were filled here.
Can I see?
So the court has acted completely appropriately under Rule 110.1 with regard to how it proceeded. Now, I respect the court for bringing this defendant back up to the court again in order to see if we can advance this proceeding or however else the court's going to address it today. But this was a completely appropriate summary contempt proceeding.
Okay, can I ask a question?
Yes.
Yes. Can I know what kind of law are you reading right now?
Rule 110.1.
No, what kind of law?
Rule 110.1.
Can
Ma'am,
I see? It's a black law?
It's Rule
It's a black
110.1.
law, it's for dead people.
Ma'am, I'm not going to answer your questions. You're again disturbing the... I don't have to.
Yes.
You have no right to ask me a question.
I'm a free woman.
You have no right to ask.
The prosecutor actually asked the officer to use a little discretion, basically giving Karen a free pass to walk out of that courtroom with the legal equivalent of a slap on the wrist. But no, Karen couldn't just take the blessing and sit quietly like a normal human. She had to fire up the OL crayon muncher and start running her mouth again, painting herself deeper and deeper into the please arrest me corner at that point. The officer had absolutely no reason left to use discretion. None, zero, zilch. And so, congratulations to her, she got slapped with the whole sampler platter. Obstruction of justice, resisting arrest, and the always popular, always deserved contempt of court. She was cuffed, booked, processed, and ultimately released with a future court date where she'll have the privilege of explaining her sovereign citizen babble all over again to people who get paid not to care. And that's the end of this video. I don't know if there will be any future updates, but if there are, you know I'll be here laughing my way through them. Be sure to head over to Coffee and Donuts Channel Land if you like their content. Give them a subscribe, so if you liked the video, hit that like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike. But don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss any of my content.
Township Corporation.
We're not in Hillsborough. We're in Princeton. You don't even know what town you're in.
You know
Stop.
that, right? And the same, you are working
For who?
for Princeton.
Okay, he works for Hillsborough, I work for
I'm
Princeton.
saying
Okay.
Princeton.
All right.
Princeton. You working for Princeton as well. You being paid for every session here. So you work for Princeton Corporation, which is registered on Broad Street. You work for Princeton Corporation, which is registered on Broad Street. And you, gentlemen, who are touching my body and you depriving me of my free woman rights, working for the same corporation. So what is going on here?
Okay, and I'm going to schedule you for a contempt hearing on the 21st of May at 2 p.m. I would advise you to...
I didn't contempt, and by visit here, I sent you the notification, you were notified. You were notified about that too. Okay, if I want to, I'm a free woman.
From the building.
I am a free woman.
And you are...
I am a free woman.
You are...
And I'm here by
Did she
visit
say
and you deprave me of